Uma Khumalo looks so heartbroken. Uma Khumalo looks defeated. Uma Khumalo looks like she is done and over with Musa Mseleko, with being Musa Mseleko's wife. She looks tired of fighting. She looks emotionally drained. Like angisafune lutho ngumakhumalo wami, angisafune lutho noma K wami nkosi yami, because she looks so unhappy. I've never seen umakhumalo looking this down. Even when Musa Mseleko was apologizing to her, she's like, whatever, I am so not in the mood of the, like, she's on battery low, like zero energy of fighting whatsoever. You can see her, like, she looks so drained, so tired from fighting. Like, it is the first time seeing Uma Khumalo looking this sad, because Uma Khumalo, she's bubbly, she's happy, she's always talking, and she's always coming up with solutions. But what I saw today, it broke my heart. It broke my heart. As Ifeni Kamake, I am not happy at all. I am not happy as well. I am not happy seeing Uma K being this sad and unhappy in this manner. They must fix this. They must sort it out. Because we can see Ulwandle apologizing to Makhumalo, saying, I'm sorry that I dated a girl from like your hood, from Ekaslako, but she's like, you did what you wanted to do, so I don't know what you're apologizing about. That is the vibe that she's giving. Welcome back to the Uthando Nestembu updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.